doing? I just finished my boom arm. Show the people. I don't think they'll want to look at it.
Show them.
They know what a boom arm is.
Of course they want to look at it.
Ask them. Okay.
See you later. Gotta get back over the skateboard park.
Okay.
I'm skateboarding today.
I'll show you my boom arm. Well, I made another boom arm. This one, that makes that button 4. This one, you can lower it. To wherever you want it. But the beauty of it is, I got it so it just hooks over that. It hooks over the top. So I can have it anywhere along here. In any position you want. So I can then turn that around for the camera to be wherever you want it. In the middle. I've got 2 joists running down there. So I can have it on that one over there. I can have it on this one over here. So I'm not the best bit of welding, I'm afraid. Why? Because I got no gas. So that's it. I'm going to, thanks to Dave who just come in, I'm going to spray it now. That just fits on there. Aim it where you want it, and you get a nice steady head. Don't want it there, you want it over there. Steady edit. Pull back. On the workbench, you can go anywhere you want. So it now means I can put this anywhere in the workshop, in this area. Not obviously in the other shed, but in this shed. The other shed got one. And my office got one. It's just a quick release. This turns, yeah, you can turn it that way or that way. This one you can push forward or backwards. This one you can go around left and right. That one push forward or backwards. And up there, ILO. Just a quick, because you always, if you're going to do this sort of stuff in your shed, you really want a boom arm. A boom arm. You got to do it yellow, so you don't walk into it. It wasn't a joke intended. It was just purely, you got to do it yellow, so I know where it is. Yeah, so that's it. And don't forget, what day is it? It's Thursday. Thursday is live night. Live night, where all the nutters come together for the meeting of the year. We'd like to thank everybody for coming last week, because it was a great week. I'm hoping all them people will come again this week. I've got to duck down a bit, because I got the same colour coat on. It's Dave. Dave's gone now. But he left his coat, alright. So yeah. Thursday night live, 8 o'clock PM UK time. Hope to see you there, or you're square.
It's not nice having a nose this big, but when you want to get ahead in life, you gotta stick your nose in places most people don't stick it. Gets you more subscribers,